The Samsung Galaxy A56 has quickly established itself as a flagship killer, offering a powerful combination of premium specifications and innovative features at a fraction of the cost of high-end smartphones. At its core, the Galaxy A56 is powered by the cutting-edge Exynos 1580 chipset, which rivals the performance of processors like the Snapdragon 888, ensuring seamless multitasking, gaming, and high-performance usage without breaking a sweat. The device comes equipped with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, expandable via microSD, making it an excellent choice for users who need ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Its 6.7-inch AMOLED display boasts a crisp FHD Plus resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and ultra-responsive interactions that enhance everything from gaming to streaming. The A56 features a triple camera setup on the rear, headlined by a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5MP macro camera, making it a versatile photography tool capable of capturing stunning detail and wide-angle shots. For selfies, the phone is equipped with a sharp 32MP front-facing camera. The device supports 5G connectivity, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds, and is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W fast charging, allowing for quick top-ups and long-lasting usage throughout the day. Its sleek design, featuring an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass on both the front and back, gives it a premium look and feel, while its IP68 rating guarantees resistance against dust and water. Samsung's promise of up to 6 years of software and security updates ensures that the Galaxy A56 remains a relevant and secure choice for years to come, further cementing its position as a high-value, long-term investment. By delivering flagship-level performance, cutting-edge design, and advanced features at a competitive price, the Galaxy A56 redefines the mid-range market and offers a compelling alternative to traditional flagship devices.